Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another amazing short video on MS Word. In this video, we are going to learn how we can take screenshot in MS Word. So let's get started. Firstly, open your MS Word as I already opened it. Go to the Insert tab, click on this screenshot. Now select Screen Clipping. It will take you to the screen that is behind your Word screen. I already opened this Replit screen behind my Word screen. Now I can clip it and it will provide me a better quality picture. You can also select from the available screens, but that will only work for the screens that are available inside your PC. That's all. I hope the video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.